credited for introducing the use of jails? A. Europeans, B. Americans, C. Asians, D. Caveman. Answer: A. Europeans. What country popularized the use of prisons as detention facilities? A. USA, B. England, C. France, D. Spain. Answer: A. USA. This forerunner of penology considered and placed emphasis on physical characteristics as the basis for atavism. A. Lombroso, B. Beccaria, C. Ferry, D. Garofalo. Answer: A. Lombroso. It is part of the classification wherein the prisoners are examined and tests are administered to check on the physical and mental conditioning of the prisoners. A. Diagnosis, B. Treatment planning, C. Execution of treatment program, D. Reclassification. Answer: A. Diagnosis. It is mainly responsible for the implementation of a prisoner's treatment program. A. RDC, B. Warden, C. Classification Committee, D. All of the above. Answer: C. Classification Committee. It refers to the formulation of the tentative rehabilitation program of the convict. A. Diagnosis, B. Treatment planning, C. Execution of treatment program, D. Reclassification. Answer: B. Treatment planning. It is the original intention of imposing prison labor. A. Punitive, B. Afflictive, C. Reformatory, D. Business. Answer: A. Punitive. What is the main objective of segregation? A. Diversification by age, B. Diversification by sex, C. Diversification by the degree of imprisonment, D. Prevention of physical and moral contamination. Answer: D. Prevention of physical and moral contamination. This type of institution is usually constructed without a fence. A. Minimum security institution, B. Medium security institution, C. Maximum security institution, D. Open institution. Answer: D. Open institution. For a maximum security facility, how high should the walls be? A. 8 to 12 feet, B. 12 to 14 feet, C. 18 to 20 feet, D. 18 to 25 feet. Answer: D. 18 to 25 feet.